Hei alle sammen. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with a Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to use the prepositions til, til, and for in Norwegian. When learning Norwegian, a grasp of prepositions like til, til, and for is fundamental. While bearing similarities to their English counterparts, these words have unique Norwegian applications that learners must understand. Til, til. The preposition til primarily conveys a sense of direction or movements towards a place or person. It corresponds mainly with the English to, indicating direction or destination. Han går til skolen. Han går til skolen. Han går til skolen. He goes to school. Vi reiser til Oslo i helgen. Vi reiser til Oslo i helgen. Vi reiser til Oslo i helgen. We are traveling to Oslo this weekend. Hun sykler til butikken. Hun sykler til butikken. Hun sykler til butikken. She cycles to the store. Til. Recipient of an action or item. Jeg gir en gave til henne. Jeg gir en gave til henne. Jeg gir en gave til henne. I give a gift to her. Brevet er til deg. Brevet er til deg. Brevet er til deg. The letter is to you. Kan du sende den til meg? Kan du sende den til meg? Kan du sende den til meg? Can you send it to me? For in Norwegian can equate to the several English prepositions like for, to, and sometimes because. Its usage varies depending on the context, purpose or intention. Jeg kjøpte denne boken for å lære norsk. Jeg kjøpte denne boken for å lære norsk. Jeg kjøpte denne boken for å lære norsk. I bought this book to learn Norwegian. Han jobber hardt for å støtte familien. Han jobber hardt for å støtte familien. Han jobber hardt for å støtte familien. He works hard to support his family. Hun sparer penger for å reise. Hun sparer penger for å reise. Hun sparer penger for å reise. She saves money to travel. For. In exchange for. Jeg betalte 100 kroner for denne boken. Jeg betalte 100 kroner for denne boken. Jeg betalte 100 kroner for denne boken. I paid 100 kroner for that book. Hvor mye solgte du bilen for? Hvor mye solgte du bilen for? Hvor mye solgte du bilen for? How much did you sell the car for? For. Intended recipient or beneficiary. Dette kurset er for nybegynnere. Dette kurset er for nybegynnere. Dette kurset er for nybegynnere. This course is for beginners. Musikken er for alle. Musikken er for alle. Musikken er for alle. The music is for everyone. For. Support or in favor of. Er du for eller mot forslaget? Er du for eller mot forslaget? Er du for eller mot forslaget? Are you for or against the proposal? Flertallet stemte for endringen. Flertallet stemte for endringen. Flertallet stemte for endringen. The majority voted for the change. Tips and pitfalls. Context matters. The word for, especially, can have varied meanings. Always consider the broader sentence or conversation context, avoiding common mix-ups, even though till, and for can both translate to in English. Their usage in Norwegian can be distinct. For instance, till indicates directions, while for often denotes purpose. Till versus for in certain situations. Be careful not to interchange till and for based on their English equivalents. For instance, when referring to a recipient, till would be more appropriate, as in gave til henne, a gift to for her. In essence, till, and for are foundational prepositions in Norwegian. Their correct application can significantly enhance the clarity and fluency of your communication. By understanding their nuances and practicing regularly, you'll easily navigate these prepositions in your Norwegian language learning journey. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcasts, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chat, transcript, one-on-one private classes, early access to new content, Discord access, etc., for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no,